Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive on the highway. First, always ensure your vehicle is ready for the journey. Check your tire pressure, oil levels, and all lights to prevent unexpected issues. When entering the highway, use the acceleration lane to match the speed of existing traffic, aiming for a smooth merge. Once on the highway, maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds, which gives you ample time to react to sudden stops or changes in traffic flow. This simple practice significantly reduces accident risks. Understanding lane discipline is crucial for highway safety. Generally, keep to the rightmost lane, reserving the left lanes for passing. When you need to change lanes, always signal for at least 5 seconds before moving, giving other drivers plenty of warning. Remember to check your blind spots thoroughly. When passing, always do so on the left, ensuring you have a clear path and sufficient space before returning to your original lane. This keeps traffic flowing smoothly and predictably for everyone. Maintaining appropriate speed and high awareness are key. Always follow the posted speed limits, which usually range from 55 to 75 miles per hour, depending on the area. Continuously scan the road at least 12 to 15 seconds ahead, looking for potential hazards like debris or sudden braking. Pay special attention to large trucks. They have extensive blind spots on all 4 sides, so avoid lingering in those zones. Staying alert helps you react quickly and safely to any situation. Exiting the highway safely requires planning. Signal your intention to exit well in advance, ideally about 1/2 mile before your off-ramp, to give other drivers time to adjust. Begin to decelerate only once you are on the exit ramp, adjusting your speed to the lower limits posted there. Finally, always practice defensive driving. This means anticipating potential actions of other drivers and being prepared to react safely, ensuring a smooth and secure journey for yourself and everyone else on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.